In modern industrial environments, worker safety around EOT cranes is critical. Nex-G Automation introduces an intelligent UWB-based crane anti-collision safety system designed to protect personnel working near crane runways. The system includes worker wearable device, crane safety nodes, and a gateway controller. Workers wear compact belt-mounted safety device that continuously transmit ultra-wideband signals. Crane-mounted devices such as Node C1 and Node C2 detect these signals and calculate the precise distance between the crane and nearby workers. When a worker enters the warning zone, the system activates visual and audible alerts. If the worker moves into the danger zone, the system instantly sends a signal to the crane controller. This triggers alarms that can automatically slow down or stop the crane, preventing potential accidents and ensuring worker safety. With high-precision UWB technology, Nex-G delivers a reliable, real-time safety solution for industrial cranes. Nex-G Automation, smart safety for smart industries. For your more information, contact Nex-G.